Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to e to the power of s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 cone here, and we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, that is from here. So I will put number 1 cone here, and we have u equals to e. Number 0 we change by number 1. Number 1 we change by e. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by du. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over u, b over u plus 1. Next, we can do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about u plus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by u plus 1. About this one, it is missing about u. So capital B multiplied by u. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. So 8 multiplied by u and number 1. So we have u and u. We can do about factorization in here. Next, we need to compare coefficient. About u, we have number 1. So a plus b equals to number 1. We have a, so a equals to negative number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So 8 equals to negative number 1, b equals to number 2. And now we put negative number 1 and number 2 cone here. And now we create the system of equations. Next, we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have number 2, ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And we put the bounds. from number 1 to e. And now we have the final answer. Next, F and E, that is about number 1. This one you got number 0, so we cancel. This one we have number 2. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.